the screw on my tire, the guy removing the screw, and the other one repairing. And then the JB is on.
All right. Yeah, nifaka YouTube wona na YouTube so nifaka YouTube kala watu ka oh yeah
Very important. When people they must see if you are reversing or you are not reversing. It's a cheap way to repair. It's a cheap way to repair. If I wanted, I would have let them remove the tire, separate the tire from the rim, so that they repair from inside. They put something there with the glue yarn there, so it looks like it was done professionally. Yeah. But I don't want these guys to do it for me like that, because they're using a steel. They're not using a tire remover. They're using a steel, so that steel normally damage the tire. I mean, not the tire, the rim. So I decided what is better. I let them repair this way. I mean, this way is stronger actually. Even the other one is strong, but this one is also strong. And it's quicker and it's cheap. I can actually do it myself. This one like this, I can actually do it myself. I can keep them here in my vehicle and repair them like this on the road. Well, it was gonna be difficult because now I don't have like those tools they have. But if you are driving the back, I mean, if you must have to check the so yeah, I'm happy with the guys. They did a good job. As you can see, the JB is on air now. He's on air. It's very important to check our tires, and they did check the brake pressure. So while it was on air, and then while while it was exposed,
250.
the mechanism or the brake pads, whatever, it was exposed. So I decided to do, let me check the brake pads. With I think now it's 140 something thousand kilos on the clock. So checking the brake pads while the brake pads are exposed, then to see how deep or how far they are finished. So if they need replacement, then I can do it. But keep comment down below, guys, so that if they need replacement or not. Maybe me, I'm not a mechanic. I only replace the brake pads most of the time when they are finished. That is where I'll replace them. Just check for me. Just check, guys. How?
Let me check before.
I don't know, 50%
No
or
chat.
60% so far. Or
Ciao,
80%.
never.
I can still go.
Also. Okay.
So the guy is traveling very slowly. It's his job. He always do this stuff. So yeah, let's support our small business. Of course, we need the guys or the people who can do the job, even though they're small business, but they will do the business. Do the good job.
Close. Let's say the
Don't
stand.
wanna take a chance on something like this.
Stand. It's a tripod. A tripod phone.
Had they had the machine
Yeah.
to remove that wheel, I was gonna repair it in the other way around. But now they don't have these guys. But nonetheless, it only cost me at least 50 rand to repair this tire. And then that 50 rand, it saved my life.
Manje uthathe kude
loko i swi kota ku nga swi kota ku xava a 4x4 or loko u ri na yona mali ya ku xava 4x4 it's worth it, guys. It's worth it, especially with the higher ground clearance. If loko movha yi tlakukile le henhla ya pfuna at some point somehow. Regardless u ri 4x4 or not 4x4, but ya pfuna sometimes. And it's very important to faka ti-lock nut. It's very important to faka. A lock nut, it doesn't matter to remove engine or the back, a small car, but it's very important to faka lock nut. La majita wa ka hina lawa loko va swi lavile vanhu va teka tirimi leswaku mamovha yi tshama switini or movha yi tshame hansi va tekile tirimi. It's not saying ku ri loko yi na lock nut va nge teki tirimi or va nge teki tithayere. Mara is better than it's like having a gun with you, but you're not using it that particular time. But sometimes when you need it, you're gonna use it. Awufundi manje ngidoni la. Close. Kufana ngabe uyafunda lapho manje. sorted, ne? Alright. You can see then. The spare wheel in Nashona spare wheel. But it's very rare with these there is a spare wheel. Because it's something I'm check now and then. I mean, this one is since more than 2 years. It's a second at some point Nashona spare wheel, but I'm saying it's there is because of now and then I check. So we want a slow punch and then the famba by long is immediately. So that's why it's very rare with there is a spare wheel. Now you would wonder why I keep the sling on the storage there. You never know what you're gonna find on the road. You never know what it's like having a spare wheel. Anything can happen. So you need to sometimes be equipped. So this is a back. I mean, it can pull whatever I find on the road. As long as less than 3.5 kg, I can pull it. So I can be able to assist someone out there. As you can see there, I'm storing back and putting back my jack things, my equipment. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you very much for watching. While you are here, you're already far enough to understand my stupid story, and I hope maybe you have learned something out of repairing the tire or repairing or checking the brake pads stuff. I hope you have learned something. So please, you might as well subscribe once while you're here, so that at least I can keep on doing some more videos. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe. Just watching, please watch it to the end.